Kids, please like and subscribe to Lala Land.